Today we will start the lecture of class 9 mathematics, chapter number 5, exercise 5.1. In the previous lecture, we had done first 7 questions of exercise 5.1. Now, we start question number 8. 2x square minus 288. Something is common. 2 is common. Now, we can apply the formula. 2a square minus b square 144 the square of 12. Apply a square minus b square. A minus b, a plus b. Now 2 into x minus 12 into x plus 12 is your answer. Now question number 9. 1 plus 2 ub minus u square minus v square. We arrange. Now, first the one bracket, third, second, third, and fourth in the other bracket. Why? Because in the previous lecture we have I have said if the fourth, if consider four term, we make them two bracket, but I make three term in the one bracket and one in the because it's a formula. Which formula? A square plus b square minus 2ab. It's a formula. A minus b whole square formula. Now, a square plus b square minus 2ab equal to a minus b whole square formula. Now, again we apply the formula of a square minus b square. A minus b, a plus b. A minus b, a plus b. Open the bracket. 1 minus v plus u. 1 plus v minus u is your question number 9. Now, question number 10. It's your homework. No, question number 10 is your homework. Now, we start question number exercise 5.2. 5.2. Now, the 5.2, this is going to be by completing square. 5.2 by completing square method. The first question, x4 plus 64. x4 plus 64 is a, it's b, a square and b square is given, 2ab is missing, we add 2ab, subtract 2ab, 2 8 times 16, 16 square should be added and subtracted to make it perfect square. Means is your formula a square plus b square plus 2ab equal to a plus b whole square. It will be a plus b whole square. What's this? Minus 16x square. Now, it will be a square minus b square. Means x square plus a whole square minus 4x whole square. 16x square is 4x. We apply the formula a plus b, a minus b. Open the bracket. Arrange in descending order. Now, do question number 2 homework. Thank you. God bless you.